There's water in it, 90% brass. Glued and screwed. And use a flexible band for the combustion air. And there's the kicker. Oh boy. Well, there would be room. Go through the ceiling, right about in that area there. Might be a little too close to that B vent and the single wall down below. But to be brought up next to the combustion air, which sits right under there. And be piped up right to the roof. Cut a flash in, that wouldn't be a big deal. It just makes you cringe. There's a flue vent. And luckily it's a mirror vent. That cap won't blow up, but it looks like the guy peeled out those recesses, so he was able to pull the cap off, hopefully. Well, I know he ran the pipe inside, but I just hope he ran it up as high as he could. You see those little indents, one there, and one there. What you do is you peel those out, and actually untwist the cap and lift it off, so it's not permanently snapped on. And from the looks of it, they got to it. But there's no reason in the world couldn't have cut it in just right. About a foot, 2 feet away. No reason in the world. I hope they send me to fix this, because this is a nice looking roof.